Good day to all the Unchained Our Children supporters and the Battle Angels. Yeah, end the week on a high note, a joyous note. If it was not for the fact that a teacher reached out to Unchained Our Children on our website, on the tip line, informing us about the concerns that she has about a minor child in their school and giving us all the relevant information that we could act, this rescue would not have been possible. So earlier today, myself and Nikki, our statutory worker, with a crew from ProShield Security, assisted us in a successful extraction of the mom with the two minor children from the residence. It took 1 minute 48 seconds. In, out, mom and children safe, in a place of safety. Children's court proceedings and family violence court will also be on the roll for Monday. So I just want to reiterate the importance. If you know something, if you hear something, you see something, please say something. You are protecting the life of a child or of somebody else who is really in dire need of care and protection. This is how we protect vulnerable people in our society, in our communities. Thank you for your loyal support and your following. We really appreciate it.